Are you a regular box braid person or a knotless box braid person? The girls are going back to regular box braids and I love it for them because I think I might be headed that way too. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Candy and I make videos on beauty, content creation and generally anything I find informative enough to share. In today's video, we shall be comparing regular box braids versus knotless box braids. I'll be listing down the features of each of them from my own side or my own opinion, and then we're going to compare them when we are done. So regular box braids, as we remember them, the knot is not very invisible because you can see that. They are high tension on the scalp. They are not subtle as you can see the knot on the scalp. It can feel too heavy on the scalp and it can cause your hair to pull out because of how it was gripped or the level at which you carried it, the longevity. Knotless braids on the other side are low tension hairstyles, and any pain that you feel might be as a result of your braider's grip or a tender scalp. Knotless braids are also not noticeable as your hair is what they use to start the braid, and then they add extensions or they add hair as they go, so you can barely even see where the braid starts. It feels light at first and then can feel heavy later, especially if it is very lengthy. It can pull out your hair as a result of the weight as well, and sometimes the grip. It can also look very scanty. I'm yet to see any knotless braids that are very full on the scalp, especially if you have a really small head. It just accentuates your really small head. Except if you've done goddess braids or goddess whatever it is. These are braids that have extra curly extensions that make it look fuller and prettier and more exotic. And one last thing is the fact that knotless braids, I don't know if it's just me, it hardly ever brings out that facelift that a new hairdo gives you. When you do the regular box braids, they just give you this facelifts because of the grip. When you do like shuku or all back or whatever it is, it just gives you this facelift. But knotless box braids do not give you that, in my opinion. They give you like a midi facelift, not like 100% snatching. Now, knotless braids have been trending for years and rightfully so. I mean, the girls deserved a break from all the high tension hairstyles that pulled our hair, that caused us not to be able to sleep on the same day we did our hair. That's something that we couldn't do before when you did regular braids. But I do think that painful braids depend on your braider. It also depends on the kind of scalp that you have. If your scalp is sensitive and it can't stand any form of pain or anybody touching your hair, you would definitely feel some sort of pain when you are being braided, knotless or not. I mean, I have made full locks for people, I've made braids, I've made twists. I'm going to attach pictures here, and most of my customers come back and tell me these are not painful. Full locks even have a reputation of being a very painful hairstyle, but there was this one time I braided someone full locks and she gave me feedback. She sent me a message telling me, oh my god, that hairstyle you made, I couldn't sleep. I had to soak my hair in hot water before it released the tension. And as at that time, that was my second time making that hairstyle. And I realized that I didn't have like a particular technique that helped me to make the hair painless for my customers. So because of that customer's honest review, I worked on it and I tried to make very painless knotless braids. I even believe I made a video at that time. I'm going to link that as well. I've lost hair because of knotless braids as well. I don't know if it depends on the braider, or it depends on my hair care routine, or it depends on how long I carried those braids. But I've lost hair from carrying knotless braids, which kind of defeats the purpose because we were doing that so that the grip will be less and we would not lose much hair. But I've lost a scary amount of hair carrying knotless braids. So, with regards to hair health, which would you say is better for our hair? Would you say knotless braids are better or the regular box braids, and which one would you be doing moving forward? As for me, I'm a little bit confused though, because next time I go to my braider now, it depends on how I'm feeling. If I look at this hairstyle or if I look at the amount of extensions I'm going to use, I'm just going to choose the one that goes with my gut. But you tell me in the comment section below, which one would you be choosing moving forward, or which one would you argue for? Knotless braids or against knotless braids? Let us know in the comment section below. Ensure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and remember to comment if you have any other requests of what you want us to talk about in our next video. Remember to subscribe as well because our family is growing and we'll probably hit 4K subscribers soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.